Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, Kadero Hudson, the millennial investor, 1914. Your boy got a nice little haircut. My skin looking all real good. I got my wash to blend in. I got the muscles. Ooh, let's get it. I'm excited. Yes. So you guys are here today because the stock market has been in a free fall. Basically, and I'm gonna show you my portfolio is down. Uh, I want to say it's down more than $4,000. I'm at around roughly $76,000. Yikes! I was at one point. I made a video. I was excited that my portfolio had hit $80,000. I was close. The stock market was climbing. We was doing good. And then guess what? We thought, hey, inflation is going down, CPI data going good. We're gonna make money. We going up. We moving up, right? And we was. And then guess what? We still battling inflation. It's still a long haul for inflation to get to the 2%. And Mr. Chairman Powell, whenever he speaks, guess what? When he acts all hawkish and when the stock market really don't know what's going on and there's uncertainty, guess what? Stock market goes down, investments go down, growth portfolio goes down, even my dividend growth portfolio goes down. And so I've never been the type of person that, hey, I'm not going to show you, I show you my gains and my wins and I show you my losses. And boy, I'm not different than any other investor. I'm experiencing quite a few losses, but what we're going to talk about is that what's the plan moving forward. So just because the stock market is down and this is a great opportunity to buy certain stocks, hey, the stock market is in a free fall going down. What I plan on doing, and hopefully it inspires you guys are new investors to stay consistent, to stay disciplined, to maintain your course, and then hey, see red days like this as a sale. So I wanted to let's go ahead, let's dive in. So I wanted to show you right here, Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is what I use to basically do research on stocks. And so right here, you see the Dow Jones in the red, S&P 500 in the red, NASDAQ in the red. Now, this is my portfolio. So year to date, man. So at the beginning of the year, my portfolio was at $66,000. It dipped, and then I pumped 9,000, and then I pumped some more money into it. And right here, as you see, the tipping point of my portfolio was at $82,000 at July 24th. And then bad news from Chairman Powell. He said what he said. Portfolio went down to $78,000, and then I was cool. And then now I am at $76,000, and that's because again, stock market has been in a free fall. It's been ugly. And so right here, it really has been quite depressing. Not gonna lie, it's been quite depressing. But your boy has been staying consistent. So since the beginning of September, I've been selling certain things, and I've been buying. So I bought PepsiCo. I bought a lot of some dividend growth stocks like Intuit. Uh, Bought a lot of just different stocks like enterprise products. Um, what else? Amgen. I received right here, and I'll make another video of the dividend income that I made along the way. But I want to go into my positions because there's some new positions that I bought, and so the purpose of this video is to show you that hey, that I am definitely have been experiencing some red days. Right here, as you see in my 401k, I'm in the red. In my rollover IRA, it was in a 19,000. Now it's $18,500, almost close to $18,000, because a lot of these different companies like Centos, Intuit, SMH, the semiconductor ETF, Visa, they're in essence they pay a dividend, but they're in essence are growth stocks, and so with high betas, and so these stocks have been hit heavy. Yes, it's not pretty good. In my Roth array, the new stock that I recently bought was I had this, I had that, I had this, was this Kinsale Capital Group, and believe it or not, I'm actually in the positive 11.29% in this. But Tesla, it had some good news, I think, like last week, and it was at like $275 a share, and then Chairman Paul with his nasty hawkish news, Tesla's down, and then a lot of my see right here, since I bought Parker Hannifin like a year and a half ago, even though it's been falling, I bought it at $300 a share, so I'm still going to be in a positive. I'm in a positive with Lowe's. I'm in a positive with Kinsale. But since ADI and Lam Research and Monolithic Power, since these stocks I bought this year, since it's a pullback, these are stocks are in the negative hard. And then also with the split with Tesla, it was already in the negative. And then I bought Centos today, and then I bought I bought $1,000 worth of QQQM, the Nasdaq. It's just something about QQQM that I love, and I know that even if it goes to negative now, I know that by me investing, $1,000 a year, that if I can get this investment into, let's say, $10,000, I know that I can set myself up in the future to hold and don't sell. That I can at least with the Nasdaq, I know that my $10,000 investment can at least grow to at least probably $70,000 to or at least $100,000, and then I can either just sell that and then dump it into right here realty income, or dumping into a high yielding stock. So that's what I plan on doing. At least buying at least $1,000 worth of QQQM per year, and if I make more money and I get my my YouTube business off the ground and start making more money, then I would dump into QQQM to make more money. And then I have other stocks along the way. There are growth stocks that I plan on just buying on the way and letting it compound, like Eli Lilly, Lind, Centos, Applied Materials, and a lot of my tech stocks for sure, like Applied Materials, QQQM, and Apple. These stocks that I named, uh, Applied Materials is a semiconductor stock. Apple is Apple, and these typical stocks have dividend yields less than 1%. So the beta is huge and has a high likelihood of increasing its earnings. And so by being invested in these certain stocks, I'm already knowing that it's not going to pay a high dividend, but I'm banking on for me holding 10 plus years for my investment to grow to at least maybe 50,000, 100,000, and then sell it, and then dump it into a high yielding stock, and then it will really serve its purpose of me sacrificing for the greater good. And because I'll have other stocks in my dividend growth portfolio like Microsoft, like Bro Rich and Broadcom, that I wouldn't sell, that I would keep, but I want to use these low yielding tech stocks to leverage and to grow in the long run. Because in the short run, right now it's a bear market, but once we finally hit that bull run, I expect my tech stocks and QQQM to really hit the ground running. And then in bear markets like right now, I expect stocks like Kroger, Altria Group, and McDonald's and Pepsi to really ground me hard and ground my portfolio hard, because I know in a bear market like right now where everything's down, I can rely on people to go and pay and buy gas, buy oil, buy food, either for them or for their children. McDonald's, Pepsi, buy Quaker Oats and chips and soda. I can bet on those things in the high market, down market, bull run, and bear market. And then lastly, right here, I plan on, for the next couple months, I plan on dumping roughly $685 to around $750 into the market. So as you see right here, I plan on buying $260 worth of Microsoft between now and to the end of the year. So October, November, December. As you see right here, I have my different tabs. I plan on buying roughly $225 of Apple and then $200 of McDonald's. So equivalent of roughly $685. And I'm also thinking about adding $50 to go towards also EPD. So right now it's $685, but I'm thinking about spending roughly $750 per month. And rather the market is up, rather I'm pretty sure that the market is going to be down, because typically in my investing journey, September and October have been months where the market has been down. So it's best moments to actually leverage your money and to actually buy stocks. Hey, if you don't believe me, then wait and see. And my birthday is in November, and I plan on buying stocks for my birthday, roughly $685 to probably $800 worth of stocks for my birthday, just as a gift to myself. And then lastly, in December for Christmas, I plan on gifting myself stocks as well, where I'm buying Microsoft, Apple, and McDonald's, and hopefully by the end of the year, my McDonald's share count hopefully is going to be at hopefully around 6 or 7. Hopefully my Apple share count is at 15 shares, and then Microsoft hopefully is at a quantity of 9 shares of Microsoft, with me spending the $220 and yada yada yada. So that's what I plan on doing. Yes, the market is stock market is falling. The stock market is down. It is down a lot, as I showed you guys my portfolio. I started this year at $67,000. I dumped a lot of money. My portfolio was at $83,000 in June, July ish. And then with these whole market meltdowns, my portfolio went down from 83,000 to like 78,000, and now is at 76,000. So, but guess what? I'm still buying. And for you guys, if you got the money, continue to buy when it's meltdowns and you feel like your share price go down and your portfolio goes down. You see all the red. See it as the stock market is on sale. Buy when people are fearful, and when people are greedy, still buy, but just nibble a little bit. So hope you guys enjoy your weekend. It is September 22nd. It's 4:00. I'm about to work on this video. I'm about to post it for you guys to look at this and to see some encouragement. Yes, I show you guys that when I'm winning, when I'm making money and my portfolio is in the green. But then I'm also just going to show you guys when my portfolio is in the red and when I'm losing, $3,000, $5,000, and that it hurts when my portfolio was $83,000 and now it's at 76. That hurts. But I'm going to continue to buy. I'm going to continue to be consistent and be disciplined. I showed you guys my spreadsheet of how I'm going to do it. $685 or $750 dedicated every month. Boom, 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 boom. And then in 2024, I plan on dumping at least $1,000 per month into my dividend growth portfolio, because my goal is to hit $100,000. I'm consistent. I'm determined. And hopefully you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Embark on this investing journey. Let's learn about stocks. Let's learn about crypto. Let's learn about how to make money. become a part of the investing game, become a part of, I'm Millennial Investor 1914. I'm your wingman. Be my wingman as I be your wingman. Let's make this money. Let's get this money. All right, guys. You have a good weekend. I'm hungry. I want some food. All right, guys. Peace.